Kids parents, and a special hello to all our Smiley Kids friends. Today's lesson is our 4 to 5 years grade double nought mathematics. Are you ready? You can do these activities as often as possible. Repetition is the key to the child's progress. The more you practice, the better you will become. So, guys, listen to mommy and daddy and do all these activities with them and put in some effort. And, guys, please send us some videos and photos to show us how you do these activities. We really want to see. And then, for every child that sends us a video or a photo, Steve will send them a special video. Steve?
Yes.
Are you ready to see all the friends' videos and photos?
I am always ready.
And will you send them a special video to say thank you?
Yes, I promise I will.
Well, that is awesome, guys. Did you hear that? So please, guys, work hard and send your teacher or send me your videos or Steve. I will show all the videos to Steve and then he will send you a special message. Let's start with our first activity. And this is to name your colors. Now the colors will appear on the screen and you can just shout out the name of the color. Mommies and daddies, you can help and correct them if needed. Are you ready, guys? Just shout out the answer. Let's go. Wonderful. Perfect. Next color. Oh, you are super smart. Here we go. Perfect. And the next one. Well done. And there we go again. Who can tell me that one? Wonderful. You are so smart. And another one. And now for our last color. Well done. You are super smart. Now, mommies and daddies, you can play with colors every single day. There's color all around in the house. So during the day, you can just ask the children to randomly recognize colors all around them. Can also be a fun game. Let's go on to the next one, guys. Let's name our shapes. The shape will appear on the screen and you can just shout out the answer to me. And mommies and daddies, you can help them or correct them if needed. Let's see. Perfect. Well done. Let's go on to our next shape. Who can tell me this one? Oh, you are super smart. And this one? Well done, guys. Who can tell me this shape? Yes, correct. And our last one. Beautiful. Well done, guys. You are so smart. 10 points for all of you. Let's go on to our next activity. Counting. Yes, grade R's, you must be able to count all by yourself up until number 20. If you can count higher, that is perfect, and then you can practice that. But for now, let's count together. The numbers will appear on the screen. Are you ready? Let's go. Count nice and loud so I can hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Oh my goodness, but you count beautifully. So now you can practice your counting every day and show mommy and daddy how super smart you are. Let's go on to our next activity. Oh, this is a fun one. We are going to do a Blastoff. I know you like it. And that's when we count backwards. And we're going to count backwards from 10 to 0. Are you ready? Let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blastoff! Well done. You are super smart and I'm very proud of you. Let's go on to our next activity. Days of the week. Let's show mommy and daddy how nicely we can say our days of the week. Are you ready? Yes, let's go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Well done, guys. You are super smart. Let's do the months of the year. Are you ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Well done, guys. That was beautiful. Oh, can you tell me when your birthday is? In what month is your birthday? My birthday is in July. I would love to hear from you guys. Tell me when your birthday is. So let's go on to our next activity. Oh, guys, this is my new friend. Say hello to Ben. Now, Ben is here today to help us to recognize our body parts. Yes. So let's just move my face so I'm not in the way. So an arrow will point to different body parts, and then you can just shout out the answer to me. Mommies and daddies, the names of the body parts will also appear on the screen. The ones in red, the children should know by now. And the ones written in black are the ones that they maybe still need some practice on those ones. But you will see, and then you can help them accordingly. Are you ready, guys? Yes, let's go. And the arrow is pointing to the wonderful, the head. Let's go on to the next one. And the arrow is pointing to perfect, his ears. Well done. Now the arrow is pointing to, you can just shout out the answer. Perfect, his hands. You guys are so clever. What is it pointing to now? Correct, guys, his fingers. And the next one? Yes, correct, his arms. This one can maybe be a little bit tricky. Let's see. And it's pointing to, wow, yes, his elbows. You are super smart. What is the arrow pointing to now? Perfect, guys. His body. Ah, this is an easy one. And the arrow is pointing to his feet. Well done. This is also an easy one. What is the arrow pointing at? Beautiful. His toes. You are so super smart. This can maybe be a little bit more difficult, but quickly think. Yes, his knees. Well done. Let's go on. This is a tricky one. What is the arrow pointing at? Well done, guys. His neck. Ah, this is an easy one. Yes, his legs. Only a few more body parts to go. Let's see. Ah, what is the arrow pointing to now? Wonderful, his mouth. And look, he has a beautiful smile because he loves playing with you guys. Okay, and another easy one. Correct, his nose. And another one. Ah, perfect, his eyes. Oh, guys, you are super smart. This is a tricky one. What is the arrow pointing at? Let's think. Yes, wonderful, his eyebrows. And lastly, this is an easy one. His hair. Well done, guys. This was fun. So now you can practice your body parts every single day with Mommy, Daddy, and Ben. And it will help you to remember. Let's go on to our next activity. Let's do some patterns. I love doing patterns. Do you also love doing patterns? Yes, I'm sure you do. So, the patterns will appear on the screen and then we will complete them. And mommies and daddies, you can use so many things in the house to make patterns. You can use knives, forks, spoons, Lego blocks, crayons, so many things. You can cut out shapes out of a magazine, pack out a pattern and let the children complete it. Guys, are you ready? Yes. Circle, triangle. So this is our pattern. Circle, triangle. Let's complete it. Are you ready? Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Perfect. That is beautiful. Can you see we completed the pattern and they look the same? Circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Well done, guys. The next one is a little bit more difficult, and I'm going to let you do it all by yourself, and let's see if you get it. Are you ready? So the pattern is pink triangle, blue square, red heart. Let's just repeat it again. Pink triangle, blue square, red heart. Well done. So now you must complete the pattern. I am not going to give you the answer. You're first going to do it by yourself. Let's go. And the next one. And the next one. Well done. Let's see if you were correct. Pink triangle, blue square, red heart. Well done. 10 points for all of you. You did a great job. So now you can do patterns at home with mommy and daddy with all kinds of different things. I hope you have fun with this activity. Let's go on to the next one. Aha! Recognizing of numbers. Now guys, all the grade double noughts need to be able to recognize number 1 to number 10. So first, I will go through all the numbers for you and teach you some nice tips and give you nice tips how to remember your numbers. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first number, yes, number 1. And if you ever forget how a number 1 looks like, just think of the boy who stood up straight and number 1 touches his head and touches his toes, and then it will be easy. Let's put 1 circle in our 10 frame. Let's count. 1. Well done. Who can tell me what number comes after number 1? Oh yes, number 2. Well done. And can you see our beautiful swan? Yes. So if you ever forget how a number 2 looks like, you can just think of the swan. It goes around the head, down the long neck, and makes a sharp tail. Let's put 2 circles in our 10 frame. 1, 2. Well done, guys. Who can tell me what comes after number 2? Perfect, number 3. And if you ever forget a number 3, just think of our beautiful teddy bear. And the 3 goes around the head and around the body. And that will help you to remember. Let's put 3 circles in our 10 frame. Are you ready to count with me? Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Well done. You are super smart and I'm very proud of you. What number comes after number 3? Yes, correct. Number 4. And if you ever forget your number 4, just think of a sailboat. And remember, a sailboat has a long pole where the flag hangs on. If you can just remember that, then you'll remember your 4. Okay, let's put 4 circles in our 10 frame. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Well done. Now, who can tell me what comes after number 4? Yes, you are correct. Number 5. And I call it Fatty 5 because that helps me to remember it's the man with the big fat tummy. So guys, if you ever forget how a number 5 looks like, just think of the man with the big fat tummy and then you'll remember. Let's put 5 circles in our 10 frame. Are you ready to count? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. You are super smart. Only a few numbers to go. Let's go on. What comes after number 5? Yes, correct. Number 6. And if you ever forget how your number 6 looks like, just think of Noddy. I'm sure you've all seen Noddy on the Disney Channel. Yes, and Noddy has a beautiful hat and he has a bell at the top of his hat. And he loves his hat and he's very proud of his hat. So if you ever forget your number 6, just think of nodding. Let's put 6 circles in our 10 frame. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. Who can tell me what number comes after number 6? Yes, wonderful. Number 7. Now, guys, if you ever forget your number 7, just think of a flagpole with the beautiful South African flag hanging from it. And that will help you remember how a number 7 looks like. Because look at our flag, so beautiful, hanging on the number 7. Let's put 7 circles in our 10 frame. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. Super smart, guys. You are doing a great job. Now, who can tell me what comes after number 7? Well done. Number 8. And look at that beautiful tiger. So, guys, if you ever forget your number 8, just think of our tiger picture. Yes. Can you see the number 8 goes around the head, around the body, and then it comes back up to the head? Yes. So if you ever forget your number 8, just think about the tiger picture and it will remind you. Let's put 8 circles in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Perfect. Now, guys, who can tell me what comes after number 8? Yes, correct. Number 9. And look, there's a man and he's carrying a backpack on his back. So, guys, if you ever forget your number 9, just think of the man with his beautiful backpack, his school bag on his back. And then you will remember. So let's put 9 circles in our 10 frame. Are you ready to count with me? Great. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Well done. You are super smart. Who can tell me what comes after number 9? Yes. Correct. Number 10. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, guys. So, here you see our number 10. There's a nice big ladder and a huge swimming pool. So, if you ever forget how a number 10 looks like, you can just think of the ladder and the swimming pool. And there you have it. So, let's quickly put 10 circles in our 10 frame. Are you ready to count with me? Yes. Perfect. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Clap hands for yourself. You did a great job and I'm very proud of you. Now, let's test you and see if you watched the video nicely and listened nicely. So, now the numbers will appear on the screen randomly and you can shout out the name of the number that you see. Mommies and daddies, you can help the children here and correct them if needed. Are you ready, guys? Let's go. And our first number. Yes, correct. Well done. Next one. Oh, very nice. Who can tell me that one? Perfect. You are super smart. Oh, that's an easy one. Yes, well done. Ooh, which one is that? Yes, you are super smart. Only a few to go. Well done. You are doing a great job. Oh, that is perfect. That was fun. So guys, you can keep on recognizing your numbers at home. Now for our next activity, we are going to do some word sums. And we are just going to work on adding, plus, making it more. Mommies and daddies, I'm just going to show you 3 examples, and then you can do word sums with the children at home. You can use anything, Lego blocks, anything that they can pack out and use as counters, and then they can count. They can pack out the sum that you give them, and then they can count all their counters to give you the answer. This is a super fun activity. Are you guys ready? Okay, so Teacher Lorna gives you 3 cookies. Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Plus, Steve gives you 2 cookies. Let's count. 1, 2, and that equals, let's count all our cookies, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. How many cookies do you have? Perfect. You have 5 cookies. 3 plus 2 equals 5. I hope you're going to share some of these cookies with me. Let's go on to our next one. Okay, so Teacher Lorna gives you 4 cookies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Plus, Steve gives you 2 cookies. 1, 2. This equals, how many cookies do you have? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. So how many cookies do you have? Correct. You have 6 cookies. 4 plus 2 equals 6. You are super smart, guys. Let's go on to our last word sum. Okay, are you ready? So, Teacher Lorna gives you 5 cookies. Let's count together. And you can pack out either 5 Lego blocks or 5 cookies if mommy has some cookies, or anything you have in the house. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Plus, Steve gives you 3 cookies. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, something went wrong with my presentation. Let me quickly fix it and then we will come back. Sorry about that, guys. Let's do this word sum again. So, Teacher Lorna gives you 5 cookies. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Plus, Steve gives you 3 cookies. 1, 2, and there's the number 3 cookie that disappeared just now. And that equals, how many cookies do you have? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done. You have 8 cookies. Oh, this was lots of fun. So now, mommies and daddies, you can do some more plus word sums with the children. Let them pack out the numbers that you give them, and then they can count them and give you the answer. This is lots of fun to do together. I'm sure you're going to have so much fun with these activities. So this is now everything that was in our presentation. But here's a few extra things that you can also do. Recognize your own written name. So mommy, write your name and daddy's name and a few friends and then your child's name on different pieces of paper. And then let them recognize their own name. When is your birthday? That's also something that you need to practice. Then distinguish between big and small, full and empty. 1-to-1 counting. Use 10 objects, blocks, Lego, crayons, knives, forks, anything you can find in the house, and count 1-to-1. You have to count the objects. Then sorting. sorting colors, shapes, cutlery, Lego, anything you can find in the house, and you sort that for mommy. Then spatial relation. This is a fun activity. Put a chair in the house, in the living room, and then ask your child, stand on top of the chair, stand next to the chair, go underneath the chair, stand behind the chair, stand next to the chair. There's so many things you can do. I hope you have fun with all these activities. And please, guys, remember to send us videos and photos. We cannot wait to see what you guys are up to. So until next time, please stay safe. We miss you lots. Bye, guys.